first flight with the new fan. We shall see how it goes. Yeah.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Make sure my nose gear retracted fully. Yep. It's still not what I would call overpowered, but it's sufficient. This new fan's quieter. So that's full power.
That was really cool flying.
Thanks. The speed is about right to be scale. It's 1/9 scale, give or take, and the real one would only do about 550 tops. And I think this is probably doing 60, 70 miles an hour, maybe. That's wide open. I mean, it's got enough to...
Flight pack, 21.67 volts.
You notice a big difference?
Not a big difference. But if I'm still dissatisfied with the performance, I can always go to a 90mm fan now that it's got a hatch. It's easy enough to change it out. But I mean, I can pull it back now. It flies fine at less than full power, which it wouldn't with the other fan. It was wide open.
How about want to go vertical?
No, it doesn't have a 1-to-1 thrust to weight ratio.
Time remaining 1 minute. Flight pack, 21.87 volts.
All right, let's do a gear pass.
Gear down. Flight pack, 21.89 volts. Flight pack,
I know.
21.84 volts. Flight pack, 21.84 volts. Take off flaps. 30 seconds.
It's really unhappy with me on the telemetry with the battery voltage.
In the hell, huh?
Yeah.
20 landing flaps.
Reverse thrust.
You know, I could set that up, but I didn't. Oh well.